Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hina from Soulful Adventures. So guys, we were talking about zodiac stones according to zodiac signs. So let's begin for zodiac sign Sagittarius. Now Sagittarius are people who are fun loving, more frank, straightforward, traveling kind of energy they have. They are the most curious people in the zodiac signs. They want to know what's next, okay? They are the, happy-go-lucky, fun kind of people, right? And sometimes it feels that Sagittarius are more shallow because of this nature. They are not deep inside, but no, they are actually. They are the most, you can say, they love learning most. They can learn as many new things you bring to them. They will put whole heart and soul into them and start learning those things, and they are really very good at that, okay? Now for them it's very important to be grounded, guys. Okay, so Sagittarius needs more of grounding, okay? They are always what's next. They want what's next, this kind of energy they have. For them, grounding is more important. For grounding, I suggest them amethyst, okay? Sagittarius, amethyst is a stone which is more about the intuitions and instincts, but for you it works as a grounding nature. It brings you down. It's give you the balance you need and to think properly and take a decision, okay? But your zodiac stone is citrine. Now citrine is one more stone that I really love myself, okay? See, I'm wearing these two bracelets that is citrine. I have this citrine and green aventurine also. Okay, I have the stones of citrine, a lot of citrine. I love the citrine because citrine is associated with abundance, the money. It is naturally a money magnet. Okay, I charge this up in sunlight, so it comes to you. The abundance flows through you. Sagittarius is all about energy. It wants what's next. It keeps them moving. Okay, so citrine, it's very beautiful if you see this, and I think it's really perfect for Sagittarius. It has all the energy moving inside if you can see it, okay? It's a beautiful crystal. Again, it is gifted to me, okay? So Sagittarius are people, who are most of the time traveling. Not all Sagittarius, I mean to say, but some of the Sagittarius, they are mostly into a field job, or they are the freelancers, or they are travelers. So turquoise is one of the stone which is good for travelers. Sagittarius is an energy which needs to be moved. It keeps on moving, as I tell you, but it requires that stone which keeps them grounded, as well as give them energy, the positive energy to strike in and to move. So turquoise does that for them. Other than that, you can also use sapphire, yellow sapphire. Other than that, there is a carnelian energy. It keeps them, more boosted and energetic. And labradorite is again one stone which is known as a magical stone. Okay, it is a magical stone. Many of the things are associated with it. It helps them in grounding. It brings them back to the reality. It clears those energies, the negative ones, and make them think with clarity and positiveness, and then go ahead, guys. Okay, so labradorite is one. Citrine is their zodiac stone, and it's a really beautiful stone, guys. Citrine, you just have to feel this sometime. Even if you look at the picture, you will get connected to this. It's that beautiful stone. You just have to hold it in your hand, close your eyes for 2 minutes and feel the warmth. Sometimes it's cool, sometimes it's neutral, but you will definitely have some kind of feeling when you hold this tree, the original ones. Okay, you can get many possibly wrong stones, the duplicate ones, but the original ones will give you that kind of energy you require, guys. So there is one thing, Sagittarius, I want to tell you that all these things only work when you have 70% to 80% of the manifestations and intentions with you guys. If you believe in magic, if you believe in miracles, they are going to happen. Okay, it's like you just thinking that yes, I'm going to be more balanced and more deep, and going to take a decision properly with thinking, with deep thinking, and more, more passionately. It's not overnight, guys. You have to keep this thinking, manifesting these things seriously. When you carry those crystals with you, if you are going to carry this temple stone of citrine, okay, you can keep those in pockets, you can keep at your work. If you want bracelets like this, it's a perfect thing. I think you don't need to carry citrines in pockets or something. You can just wear the citrines in hand, like I'm wearing right now, bracelets, and you can go to work. It really makes a good jewelry. I love this color. It's a sunny side to them. Okay, so it will amplify those energies when you manifest. Okay, crystals work if you believe in your manifestation. Then the magic starts, guys. Okay, to know more about crystals, to know more about stones, and what crystals you should wear, what crystals you should not, what amplifies, what discourages, what will cause some problems, what will cause more happiness, you can stay tuned to my videos. Either you can subscribe, either you can comment, you can send me a direct message on Instagram, or send me a mail. In the description box I have mentioned the email ID, and we can get connected. Stay tuned for further videos. Bye bye. Thank you.